Namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah, namaste. First asana, Sukhasana. Okay, cross leg like that. You have to put chin mudra, same pose, and gently close your eyes. Inhale and exhale 3 times. One inhale, exhale. Two inhale, exhale. Three inhale, exhale. Yes. Slowly come back to normal breathe. Now, this pose you have to do twisting movement. Yesterday I already showed you. One more time repeat. Yes. Both hands up. Lock your hands. Stretch well. And twist your right side. Your left hand should be right side. Right hand should be put cup shape. Okay. I will show you side also. Cup shape. How much you possible. Turn your right side and little bit right hand bend and twist your waist. Here you can breathe 6 breaths. Inhale and exhale 1 breath. You have to breathe 6 times. Okay, I will inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Inhale, exhale 6. Okay, slowly come back. Repeat in left side. You have to breathe yourself here. Same 6 breath. Every exhalation, you can twist your waist. Correct. You have to twist on your right side, all of you. Right side. Blue person. Ha. Yes, right side. You have to twist on right
I
side.
request all to please enable your videos. I only see few members enabled. So I think Ashwini will be able to help you if you're doing something wrong.
Ha.
Feel free to enable your videos, please.
Yes. Prabhat Kumar sir, you have to twist on your right side. Yes, correct. Thank you. Yes, after 6 breath, slowly come back. Okay, sit in Sukhasana. Okay, thank you. Next asana is Baddha Konasana. Yesterday I already explained you what are the benefit of twisting movement also. Okay, in Sukhasana. Now, second asana, Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Today, yesterday I already told Soumya, we have to take 2 pillow or 2 blanket like that. 2 blanket or 2 small pillows. Okay, I will show you. First, regular butterfly pose. I will show you. Both leg forward, both legs forward, near to your thighs. Okay. First, flip your thighs 10 times and close your eyes. Normal breathe. All of you. Yeah. All of you, you can go back little bit. I can see your asana full. Okay. Then only I will correct easy. Yes. This is fine. Who is that? Rajat Srinivas is good. I can see full completely asana. That's what. Yes. Yes. Completely. Your thighs should be reduced. How much you possible. Yes. Thank you. First, here we can do just the twisting. After, I will show you with props. Okay. Both hands up. Gently twist on your right side. Normal breathe. 3 times. One inhale, one exhale. Be there only. Right side. 2 inhale, 2 exhale. 3 inhale, 3 exhale. Yes. Slowly come back and change your movement. And change the hand. Your right hand should be left thighs, left hand should be back side. Here, same. 3 breaths. Correct. All of you do. Now, left side, your left side. Correct. Thank you. Okay, slowly come back. Okay, once again, leg forward. Rotate your both leg clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, I will show you how to do with yoga props. Baddha Konasana. Okay, that is original name of Patanjali Yoga. Okay, we call butterfly pose. Okay, I will show you how to do. It's very easy. Okay, 2 sides. You can put your pillows or blanket, anything. Okay, and again do same pose. Okay. Yes. And both hands up. Now you have to put the back side, put a cup shape, neck up. Okay, I will show you back side also. Then you can got it how it was work. Put a cup shape, back correct, chest up, neck up. How much you possible, you can do. Yes, correct. Very good. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Yes, slowly come back. Yes, relax your hand, relax your leg. Okay. And be there only and just gently close your eyes and normal breathe. Gently close your eyes and normal breathe. 4 times. You can feel the asana. Okay, you can feel the lower back little bit stretch, no? Okay. Relax. Okay. Next is hand stretch breathing, standing pose. I will show you. Leg apart. Okay. Both hands stretch. You have to see first. Then afterwards, I will explain you little bit. Then you can do. Yes, both hands stretch. Inhale, hand stretch. Exhale, come up. Okay, this is hand stretch breathing, shoulder level. You have to do afterwards. I will explain you what are the benefits. Yes, do it 10 times. Very slowly, very slowly. Rajat sir, little bit slow. Prabhat sir is good. Pedna also good. Hand stretch breathing very slowly. You can feel the hand stretch movement. Inhale and exhale. You can feel the breath. Very slowly. Prerna, little bit slow. Correct. 10 times. You have to do very slowly 10 times. Inhale and exhale. Exhale also very slow. Yes. After 10 breaths, relax your hand. Be there only. Yes, Rajat sir is doing very nice, very slowly. Soumya also, I can see, nice. Okay, relax your hand. If you finish your 10 times, relax your hand. Yes. Okay. Relax. This is hand stretch breathing, shoulder level, standing pose. Okay. You know all of you. Okay, 1 second. Over to Prabhat sir. Okay, you can talk, sir. How do you feel? I can't hear your voice. No voice. Yeah, thank you. Over to Rajat sir. Anyone, only last one person.
Yeah, the back especially ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ when we take breath ಒಳಗಡೆ then
sorry if you don't mind I can speak English and so all are
okay that's what when I take breath inside then the back especially I felt it was much relaxing and when I breathe in very slowly when I do I could feel that
very comfortably.
Blood, yeah, especially in the chest and this part.
Yes, very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Over to next one. Hand rotation and shoulder rotation. Okay. This is actually shoulder rotation. Shoulder breathing exercise was your chest will be enlarged and shoulder will be enlarged and hand and finger also stretch more and lastly lower belly and lower back will be stretched more. Okay. Yes. Next is loosening. Two loosening exercise. One is wrist rotation, hand wrist rotation and shoulder rotation. Okay. Okay. Thumb finger inside, forefinger close. Okay. Gently clockwise 10 times, anti-clockwise 10 times. Yes, do. Very slowly, very slowly. If not possible, anyone, you can hold your left hand, right wrist, you can do clockwise, anti-clockwise. Thumb finger inside, forefinger close. Correct. Yeah, Prabhat sir, you can hold your one finger like that. You can do. It was very easy. Yes. If anyone not comfortable, you can do single hand. Yes. Next one, shoulder rotation. Okay, I will show you. Afterwards, I will explain you what are the benefit both. Yes. To take cup shape on the shoulder, inhale, your both elbow should be closer and up and back, down. Okay, this is clockwise. Anti-clockwise, inhale and back and again join. Okay, do it 10 times. I'm also doing upward, upward. Yes, yes, how much you possible. And down and slowly. Back, join the elbow, back and upward. You have to do 10, clockwise 10, anti-clockwise 10. Correct, Pedna. Soumya also correct. Shoulder up, correct, sir. Correct, correct. Another person I am seeing. Oh, correct. All are doing very nice. Elbow up. Who is that? Vikram is doing right. Surajit. No, not like that. First, elbow join up and down. Yes, correct. Somebody, Athipil, yes, open the video. Please, all of you, I'm seeing all of you, please open the video on. Video should be on. I will see everyone. Raksha, Ramu sir, and everyone should be on. Yes, then only I can see everyone. Mistake. Anjali and everyone should be video on, compulsory. Yes.
Ma'am, actually I have monitor and laptop which is on the table and I'm on the floor.
Okay,
So even
no
if I
problem.
switch on the video, you cannot see me. That is why I'm
Okay, no problem. Suma, Sanjay, everyone. I'm seeing everyone. Yes, thank you. Okay, relax. Okay, little bit sit down. All of you sit down. Relax your body. 2 minutes. Relax. I want every different people opinion. Over to yes. Vikram, you can talk me 1 minute. Yes.
Actually, I'll tell you a personal thing. When working for work from home, I often have pain in my left shoulder lower.
Okay.
Maybe due to sitting position.
No problem. Afterwards, you
when
can.
I did this, especially the anti-clockwise one, there I felt slightly more pain because normally.
No problem. You can do slowly.
Okay. So apart from that, the clockwise I was very comfortable. But since when I was doing anti-clockwise, I felt pain.
No
but okay, no, not that much.
Okay, no problem, no issue. If you have any pain, you can ask Soumya. I am a yoga therapist also. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Who is that? Yeah, you can speak. Yeah, Kamala Lakshmi something? Yeah, Kamalakshi, yeah. Open the voicemail, yes. Atipalli, yes. Who is that? Voice open, yes. You can talk. Hello? Hello? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone should be talk. That's what I am seeing, everyone. Because this is not like that. Yeah. Okay, you can talk me.
I was very beginner to yoga, so I'm just learning what it
No
was.
problem. No
It
problem.
was fine for me, but difficult. I'm catching up.
No
I'm trying.
problem. No issue. Yes. Thank you. Over to another asana. Every asana, I want to see everyone. So that's what you have to open your video on. Okay. Thank you. This shoulder rotation, wrist rotation is a good stretching for wrist, and shoulder rotation should be more comfortable your shoulder part, especially Vikram said not possible for anti-clockwise because
anti-clockwise when I was doing because of the lower pain, so it was not very comfortable. During work from home sometimes I get maybe not due to correct sitting position.
Okay, fine.
Clockwise I was very comfortable.
Okay, because of your shoulder will be relaxed. Okay, thank you. Next asana. Standing pose only. Tadasana, mountain pose. Okay. First, if you possible, join your leg and roll the shoulder and finger split and stand erect. Just lift, close your eyes. Normal inhale and exhale. Yes. Do it.
Can you say one more time?
Yeah, I will show you one more time. Join your both leg, roll the shoulder, hand like that, stretch well, finger split, just lift, tighten your kneecap, if not possible, leg little bit wide, half inch. Normal inhale and exhale, back straight. I will show you side also. Good. Yes. Very nice. Sanjay, Jyotish, all are not opening your video. I'm strictly tomorrow onwards, all of you video on, compulsory. Yeah, Soumya is good. Yeah, breathe well normally and slowly come back. Relax your hand, relax your body. This is mountain pose. Yesterday I showed you. Today, same asana. Okay. Salute the asana. How to do, I will show you. Mountain pose. Okay. Same asana, little bit changes. Upward salute. Possible, join your leg. Not possible, half inch gap. Okay. Inhale, exhale, both hands join. Okay. If possible, hands back. Like that. Not possible, you can do here only. Okay. Upward salute. Namaskar mudra. tighten your, squeeze your hip and stretch your little bit back. Okay, you can try. Elbow straight and elbow straight. Everyone should be video on. I'm seeing everyone. Varuna, yeah. Sai, Swapna, Jyoti, yes. Correct. Inhale and exhale. Yes, slowly come back. Okay. This is two pose of one asana, Tadasana, mountain pose, strengthening your body. Benefit is strengthening the body and digest more. Okay. In Kannada, we call Jirna Shakti. Okay. Adu Jirna Shakti agutte idrinda. Tadasana, standing asana first. Okay. Yes. If you want any break, you can sit and come back. Otherwise, be there only. Okay. Yes. Next, move on to another asana. Yesterday I teach Trikona asana. Okay. Fine. I will show you because yesterday I can't see everyone. I want to see Trikona asana. Okay. This is standing pose, triangle pose. Okay, Trikonasana we can call triangle pose. Okay, I will show you how to do, explain you. Then afterward, I will explain the benefit of asana. Yesterday I already told you Trikonasana benefit. You have to do first. Very slowly. Okay, first Tadasana. Okay, inhale, exhale, spread your both legs, right leg right side, left leg inside and cross wide. You have to put your leg. Then you can balance the asana. Okay, and squeeze your hip. First inhale, exhale normally. Inhale, both hands up. Stretch well, how much possible, and then tighten your both knee and inhale, exhale. First time you are doing here only shin bone. Okay. First, hold your hand on the waist, left hand, and just lift. Look up. When you are comfortable, then both left hand should be up and look at your left palm. Otherwise, look forward. And both knees should be tightened very carefully. Listen. Yes. Now inhale and exhale 5 times. Again, slowly come back. Hand shoulder level. And right leg should be parallel. And move on to same one. Left side. Again, inhale, come back. Both legs parallel. And slowly come back on Tadasana. Yes. If possible, you can do upward hand. Otherwise, you can hold your waist only. Your comfort zone. No force here. Very good. Yeah. Nalman Divya. Yeah. Divya is doing good. Paid na yake marta illa. Catch aitu. Voice open paid na. Catch aitu.
When I lift my hand, I just pain here.
Okay, no problem. You can hold your hand waist. Okay, you can hold your hand waist. Everyone should be, yeah. Open your video. Yes. ಯಾರು ಕಿಡ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ ಹಾ ಓಹೋ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ yes slowly come back and chain the leg left leg correct okay slowly come back okay relax your leg slowly come back sit properly 2 minutes sit properly yes yesterday I already told you this asana benefit this is good for strengthening the asanas and mobility will be giving more okay every day you have to practice sadhana then only you get the perfect force trikonasana okay and strengthening the legs and strengthening the lower back okay trikonasana okay anyone talk yes Shivraj yes Shivraj over to Shivraj you can talk voice open voice not clear yeah tell me
yes no when I tilting upward I feel it like my shoulders actually I up my hand actually
okay no problem otherwise you are comfortable in this asana
yes I'm comfortable
okay no problem anyone else you can talk directly voluntary I'm not familiar your name no that's what anyone please over to Jyoti sir yes you can talk yes you can talk sir
yeah first time I'm doing it's all good going on
nicely your son or
daughter.
yeah nice thank you thank you go another asana next asana yes sitting pose yeah today I will show you single leg virasana stretch I will show you first here you can see no left leg okay left leg fold your hip should be down okay your heel should be outside and right leg should be straight okay inhale exhale your both hands should be on the thighs normal inhale exhale you have to fold first right leg why I am doing left leg I want to show you single leg virasana stretching first you have to do sitting pose single pose sir Rajat sir single pose I know you are doing right but today I will show you single leg virasana one leg yes correct Forward leg should be toes towards the chest. Yes. Back straight, look forward. And close your eyes. Everyone close your eyes. Back straight. Nivedita, I can't see your asana. Yes, Nivedita. You have to adjust your, yes, I want to see everyone should do correct. Whether you are doing right or wrong. Thank you. Yes. Concentrate on your breath. Single leg breathing, first 6 to 8 times breathe. 1 inhale, 1 exhale. 2 inhale, 2 exhale. And Prabhat sir, your back should be straight. Back correct. Everyone should be back correct. Correct. Single leg Virasana. No, both leg. Single leg. Nivedita ji. Yes. Be there only. Your hand should be on the thigh. Thigh only. Yes, slowly come back. Okay, 1 minute. Soumya, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಅದೇನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನು. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ವ್ಯೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ಹೇಗೆ?
I think on the above there will be gallery view alva, alli click ಮಾಡಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ?
Alt F2 ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ Alt F2 ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Alt F2.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ Alt F ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು. Alt F2 ಆದ್ರೆ Alt
ಇದು 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 ಯಾವ್ದದು ಏನಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬುಕ್.
ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. Alt F ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಝೂಮ್ ಅಬವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆನಾ ಇದು? ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ?
ಯಾ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಯು, ನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್. Next, sitting pose. Padmasana, single stretch breathing. I already told you, single leg breathe, Virasana. Virasana, afterward full Virasana I am doing now. I will explain you what are the benefits. Today I will show you a single leg Padmasana, how to do. Okay. Same thing, first right leg. Okay. First twist your right thighs like that, like a baby, and press well. How much you are flexible. Okay, you can press well and look forward. Normal inhale and exhale. Do it. Left leg also. Same thing. First squeeze like that and press your thighs. Yes. Do it each leg 10 breaths. Yes, single leg Padmasana stretching. Be focused on your mind. Yes. Change the leg. Change the leg. Now left leg, single leg Padmasana. Yes, relax. Yes, correct. Shivraj, correct. Nivedita also correct. And now stretch the leg, Padmasana pose. Surajit sir, yes. Yes, everyone is doing right. Correct. And slowly come back. Okay. Slowly come back in Sukhasana pose. Yes. This asana benefit, I will explain you very detailedly. Be focused on your mind. Okay. Padmasana is good for all meditative posture. Okay. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ and meditation is good for Padmasana pose. Okay. Okay. In English, I can explain you. Padmasana is good for meditative posture. Okay. Everyone should be practice at home. Single leg Padmasana stretching. Okay. Yes. Any doubts? Anyone you can ask. Anyone openly. Sir, you have to talk. Surajita Bhosh.
Yeah. So can you repeat that single leg Padmasana once again? That,
okay, definitely. That's
posture.
what everyone should be taught. Everyone should be do perfectly 100%, not 1%. Okay. Yes, that's what I want to personal request you all. You have to open your video on. Then only I will correct easy. Otherwise not possible, no? Only, yes. First, both legs forward, right leg fold and hold and squeeze like that, and press your right leg and stretch your thighs down. How much you are flexible. And then come back. This is normal breathe only. Okay. Do it left leg like that. Squeeze your thighs and press your thighs back straight. Okay. Normal breathe. And inhale, exhale. Slowly come back. If you want, all of you do repeat same asana. Sir, now you got it, sir?
Yes, thank you.
You can do all of you. One more time, repeat all of you. Anyone else, you can ask me directly, openly. Any doubts on spot, you can ask. Who is that? Very nice. Only I said the single leg. Yes. One person is doing both leg. Yes, no. Everyone, I want to see. Yes. Correct. Okay. Page na nodena heg madidira. Yes. Yakendre you are the highlight of the yoga session. Yes. Yes, thank you. Slowly come back. Today's last asana is Bhujangasana. Okay. Okay, I will show you completely. You have to, how much you possible you can do. Okay. Today, the last asana is Bhujangasana. Afterward, go to Shavasana. Then again, yesterday's same breathing technique I will teach you. Okay, every day I will teach breathing technique. Simple. Okay. Yes. If anyone want, you can put on the lower belly of the mat. Otherwise, no problem. Yes. Lie down on your mat. Yes. First, both hands should be forward. Inhale, lift your chest level up to your head. Normal inhale and exhale 5 times. After 5 times, relax your forehead. And your both hands should be on the near to chest. Okay. Second one, little bit lift your body. Normal inhale, exhale 5 times. After 5 times, relax your body, relax your hand, and little bit head up, both hands back. Inhale, completely lift your body, neck back. 5 breaths or 3 breaths if you are comfortable. Okay, and slowly come back on child pose. Okay. I showed you how much possible you can try. All of you, step by step. Correct. Raksha is doing right. He is doing right. Breathe properly. 1 inhale, 1 exhale. 2 inhale, 2 exhale. 3 inhale, 3 exhale. Each 3 variations, same you have to follow my breathing technique. Otherwise, no use. Shoulder broad, neck up. Roll your shoulder and neck up. How much you possible you can do, everyone. Not possible, only do 2 fours. ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಪಿಡ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಓಕೆ Okay, relax in child pose. Everyone after Bhujangasana, child pose. Relax your lower back. Yes, slowly come back. Hip on the heel. Hip on the heel. Hip should be down. All of you, hip should be down. Hip down. Vikram. Yes, Vikram, your hip should be down. Yes, you are doing wrong, Vikramji. Child pose, I will show you one more time. Not lifting the hip. You are doing like that. No, hip should be down. Your hip should be down. Yes, now right. Little bit right. Yes, slowly come back, all of you, and go to Shavasana. Go to Shavasana, lie down on your mat completely. Palm facing upward, leg apart, chin towards the chest. Your leg should be little bit apart. Completely collapse your body. Relax and relax. Please follow my instructions. Relax your toes, fingers. Relax. Inhale and exhale deeply. Relax your kneecap. Relax. Relax your both thighs. Relax. Relax your chest. Completely relax. Relax your neck part and hand and shoulder, finger, completely relax. Relax your face, forehead, completely relax. This is QRT, quick relaxation technique. You can observe in your mind today what are the asana I teach. You can recall your mind. Yes. Slowly come to normal breathe. Shake your leg finger, hand finger, your head move on to right side and left side, and left leg fold. No, not like that. Slowly you have to come, sir. Turn to left side, be there only 2 minutes and slowly come back. And Adap Namaskara Mudra first. Yeah, breathing. Okay, all of you do. Yeah, Chin Mudra, Pranayama. Yesterday I already told you after the Shavasana you can do Pranayama, more benefit. Okay, same Chin Mudra, you have to put on your thighs and gently close your eyes. Yesterday I already suggest you how to breathe. When inhale, stomach should be inside. When exhale, stomach should be outside. You can feel. I will show you. Yes, you can feel. First, your right hand should be on the stomach, lower. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. You can feel the movement, you can feel the breath, you can feel the body. Okay, do it 10 times. Normal inhale and exhale, everyone should be. Feel the breath. Very slowly inhale and exhale. Slowly inhale, exhale. If you are comfortable, you can do Vajrasana. Yesterday I showed you. Anyone possible, not possible, no problem. Sit in Sukhasana only. Someone voice is coming. Feel the breath. Feel the breath. You can focus on your mind. After 10 breaths and slowly, don't open your eyes, rub your palms and touch on your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Immediately put Namaskara Mudra. Prayer. Yes. All of you adopt Namaskara Mudra. Back erect. Slowly inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Yes, surrender to the God and Parameshwara ಸ್ವರೂಪಗಳಾದ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮರಿಸ್ತಾ ಈ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. Yes, all the best. Yes, over to anyone. Soumya. Yeah, Soumya.
I think today was very refreshing. I can feel a lot of freshness in me. It was really good. I hope even
Okay, you can talk.
I hope even everyone felt the same.
Okay, new members I can talk today. Okay, I want to new members today. You have to talk, new members. Yes, over to yeah, Nalma, Divya. Divya, you have to talk.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I feel so refreshed today. Like initially, I was facing problem with my breathing because I couldn't feel like the exact breathing process. But today, I feel there was a little improvement compared with yesterday.
Very nice. Thank you. Okay. I want pinpoint everyone. Yes. Raksha, please open the video. Who are not, yeah. Tomorrow onwards, please open the video. Then only I can teach. No. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, if I sit down, you cannot see me. The laptop is on the table. That is the problem.
Okay, you can adjust, madam.
No. When I standing pose, you can see, ma'am. But sitting, you cannot see because
No.
I have a table, so I have a monitor, so I cannot shift everything below on the ground. That's the only issue.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah, actually,
talk today's.
yeah. I wanted to tell that yesterday I usually don't get up so early, but though I have got up and done the yoga in the morning, even till night 11:30, I was having a lot of energy, which I myself was surprised. I thought I'll be very tired by evening, but the energy levels were very good yesterday.
Okay. Prabhat, no video, no. I want to. You can talk, Prabhat, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So actually, my laptop got out of battery, so I'm connected on phone.
Everyone should be night only.
Yeah. Thanks.
Tell me.
Yeah, it was great. In fact, I feel very relaxed and a lot of energy. And although I think one of the pose I was not able to do.
No
legs.
problem. You have to practice regularly. Then you can. Which asana very difficult?
In which one of the legs you fold behind your.
You can show me. You can show
and
me
when you
which asana.
keep on straight,
I
was not
think I
able
can
to
tell
actually do.
one leg
Single leg Vinyasana. Single leg Vinyasana.
Correct.
Yeah, no problem. Yes, thank you. Anything else? Yes, Shivraj R. Yes, you can talk, Shivraj R.
Actually, yeah, right.
Yes, now you open the video. No, tomorrow onwards you have to open your video. Yes, talk.
It's very refreshing only.
Ah.
So I feel the same. that Prabhat told, I think, single leg Veerasana I'm having sleep trouble.
Okay, no problem. Every day I will practice it. You have to do. Okay, easy. Okay. First, you have to open your video on. Then I can correct easy. Okay. Thank you. 1 second. Last one person. Any? Yeah. Varna. Runa.
Pravalika.
Yeah. Tell me. Open your video.
Hello.
Open the video.
Yeah. From tomorrow onwards, I can open the video, ma'am, for sure. And feeling like very happy after like 1.5 years I'm doing the yoga. Recently, my health is not good, so my sleep cycle has got disturbed too much. I'm not able to sleep like in time. But yesterday, even without enough sleep, I started attending the session. And yesterday night, automatically, I mean, on time, I got the sleep, and also throughout the day, I felt very good. My energy levels are very good, and then finally, my sleep cycle has automatically got set. That is actually, yeah, very great.
Good one, no? Good. Good improve. Yes. Thank you. Sai Sopna, last one. Today's talk. Yes, Sai Sopna. Is there?
Hi, ma'am.
Open the
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
I want to see you.
Ma'am, actually, I'm logging through my laptop and I could not open my video. From tomorrow, I'll log in through my mobile so that I can on my video. And I'm feeling very relaxed by doing this session. Only problem with that Bhujangasana, I'm just feeling a little bit pain on my backside shoulder. But other than that, I'm feeling very relaxed.
Okay, for the asana, next time you can do easy. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, and Soumya, lastly, over to Soumya. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. I think it was really good. It was most refreshing. Even I can feel a lot of relaxation in me. So let's continue. I think I can see a lot of good feedback from all the members. I think they're feeling refreshed in the morning since we all are waking up early. And let's make this as an habit in our day-to-day life so that, everybody feels, the same way of energy and, for a better, healthy life. So let's continue. I hope we all stay together and get connected every day and feel more refreshed.
Yes, over to Prerna. Matadogidre matadbodu.
So here we are spending only 1 hour. What I would suggest is regular practice is required in terms of
Voice illa Prerna.
Yeah, it's audible.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when we say yoga, we should have a regular practice so that we'll become more.
Prerna, I suggest you can use headphone or something because only 1 or 2 words will be heard. After that, nothing will be heard.
Okay, then we meet regularly.
You can.
No. You had to talk.
No, my voice is not audible. No, I don't know what is the issue.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, practice regularly.
Okay,
we meet every day. I request everyone to join regularly. Yeah.
No voice, Prerna. Sorry. Okay, no problem. I told you, all of you, she is doing wonderful yoga actually. Past before 10 years back. Still she also practicing yoga, Prerna. Okay, a special thanks to her. Yes, thank you so much, everyone. You have to participate every day. Okay, you can't possible do yoga. You have to sit and see. Any back pain, any headache is there, no problem. You can come and sit on the chair or sofa like that. Don't miss the class. This is golden opportunity, you all, and a special thanks to Huawei company also. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone. Let's meet tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Okay?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.